Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you if your ads are showing to the wrong people. The demographic targeting is one of the fastest ways to fix this. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use demographic targeting in Google Ads 2026 to reach the right age, gender, and income, and parental status. So let's get started by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to set up your Google Ads. You're going to have to log into your Google Ads account. If you haven't already, you can create one just by clicking on Start Now in the business.google.com website. And then you're going to fill in information about your business. Once you finish setting them up, you're going to go here to this interface and you're going to click on demographics. Now, once you click on demographics, you're going to click on audience keywords and content. Then you're going to choose the demographic options and you can target by age, by gender, by parental status, by household income, and more. Choose the one that is available for you, then check or exclude the groups that fit your business. After that, you're going to adjust the bids or exclude groups. You can increase bids for high performance demographics like this. And you can even exclude low converting groups. And after you finish doing that, you're going to click on the save button. Once you click on it, make sure to use the observation mode first to gather the data and never exclude without data. Also combine demographics with keywords or audiences. And that's it. That's how you use demographic targeting in Google Ads 2026 to improve efficiency and reduce wasted spend. That's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.